This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Stephanie Fortuna. Welcome home to this well-maintained one-owner condo centrally located to schools, shopping, restaurants, and the interstate. As you enter, you are greeted with an open floor plan boasting cathedral ceilings, a gas fireplace, built-in shelving, natural light from the 17 new window panes, neutral paint, new HVAC in 2018, and a sliding door that leads to the manicured wraparound side and backyard. The kitchen has bar-height counters, a full appliance package, plenty of pantry storage, and a back door. The first floor ensuite is spacious with twin walk-in closets and a bathroom with a shower and tub combo. This condo has 2 linen closets, one up and one downstairs. Upstairs enjoy the spacious loft for entertaining or an office, 2 great-sized bedrooms, and an additional full bathroom. Find ample storage space in the bonus room alongside the walk-in attic with storage. Park your car in the garage, driveway space, or on the street.